LLMs work, the way pretty much all machine learning models work is by looking at a large amount of aggregate data and using that to come up with a statistical model of how these data fit together, and to be able to then predict off that data when they're given stuff that they haven't seen before.
The programming we've been doing, all this computer programming, very logical, right? I think this LLM thing kind of like breaks that. It's a different pattern of coding. Like, oh, what's the pattern there? It's unlocking a lot of things we wasn't able to digitize.
The really interesting thing is that so there's a further use case, which is thinking of large language models as like a kind of glue. Software is this thing that is very rigid, and LLMs are the opposite of rigid. They're really, really flexible. And so you can give it like really weird input and then ask it to reformat the input into the format that some software model can work.
LLMs have the ability to encode some amount of text into a high-dimensional space as kind of a vector representation. So instead of having words, you end up with like a bunch of numbers that encode some things about the text.
And so inside of the language model, there's this kind of mechanism called attention, which is a mathematical description of where to extract information from.